Welcome to Southside Mitsubishi. This is 2011 Holden Commodore Sv6. It's manual. It's a 6-speed manual gearbox. Look at the front. Nice set of alloy wheels. This is 20-inch alloy wheels. It's a Series 2. Nice and clean paint. No scratches. Look inside. Nice fabric on the seats, clean interior, it's immaculate condition. Got a bigger screen for the reverse camera. All the controls are here. It's a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's more fun to drive. All the controls on the steering wheel. Sporty seats. Have a look at the back seats. Plenty of leg room. And the air vents for the back passengers. You have an armrest in the middle, so you can use the armrest. Seats can fold down. Have a look at the side view of the car. It's a very nice finish. It's got a good big spoiler on the back, Sv6 badge, dual muffler, reverse sensors. It's a direct injection 3.6 liter motor, produces more than 200 kilowatts of power, gives you very good pickup and a good torque. As we go to the side, open the driver's door. On the driver's side, automatic headlight button just there. Let's have a seat inside. This car is just done 48,900 kilometers. Multifunctional steering wheel. All the navigation and phone controls are here. This is trip control. Cruise control work down here. Nice dash, no scratches. 2 cup holders here. You can have the drink or bottle holders in the pocket. It's a dual zone climate control. It's a nice set of vents with the chrome finish. There's a compartment here for the sunglasses. This car have all the active and passive features, airbags for the safety, ABS brakes, and all the engine sensors, and it's got reverse sensors for the safety as well, so you can reverse the car. If you have any inquiry about the car, please give me a call on 043 011 4313. My name is Jas and I'm from Southside. Thank you.